Local Plymouth Township politics turned particularly ugly in the past year, and last November, voters cleaned house. But the new leadership is under fire tonight from the old leadership, accused of spending money improperly and violating state law. Business editor Rod Maloney live tonight with that story. Rod.
Devin, this is about budgets, boring old budgets. But the fact of the matter is state law is pretty clear, pretty strict about how you go about passing a legal budget. And here's the thing. The claim is that the new township leadership passed a budget back in December that is improper, illegal, and there could be trouble. This case pits the current Plymouth Township clerk, Jerry Vorva, against the former clerk, Nancy Konzelman. Question, did the township follow strict state budgeting laws? Vorva says, absolutely.
We have done exactly what the law intended for you to do, and that's to give the public notice that the budget is going to be on the agenda, and that you have an open meeting where they can speak on the budget.
Konzelman claims that's simply not enough.
Public meeting just says we're having a public meeting and might say what the agenda is. It's totally different than giving the public notice that they have the right to come in and participate during a hearing, a specific hearing where their comments are recorded.
Vorva gave Local 4 meeting documents from December, but state law specifically requires a notice with a specific font size published 6 days prior to the hearing saying, quote, the property tax millage rate proposed to be levied to support the proposed budget will be a subject of this hearing, end quote. And that never happened.
Friday before, we posted public notice that there was going to be a study session and that the budget was going to be on the study session agenda. It was.
If you do not pass your budget properly, then every expenditure during that budget year is an unauthorized expenditure, and every single board member is responsible for, any illegal expenditures.
Now, this afternoon, I spent quite a bit of time looking at Michigan state law as it pertains to budgeting, and her assessment of precisely what could happen is accurate in terms of the state law. The question is, was there actually a violation? And we don't know the answer to that yet because there would have to be an investigation. I called the Treasury. They said, well, we need somebody to complain. So Konzelman went ahead, and she already has complained about this. And so now the question is, will there be an investigation? That gets handed over to the Attorney General. It could be months before we know. Reporting live, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
All right, Rod.